warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone and welcome back. This is Musdalifah reporting to you with the latest educational news. In recent years, literacy and numeracy have become major concerns in the field of education. These two skills are not only important for academic success, but also essential for students' daily life, critical thinking, and future careers. However, many schools are still facing challenges related to students' low literacy and numeracy abilities. In today's report, I will be sharing the results of an interview that I conducted with one of the teachers regarding the issue of low literacy and numeracy among students. This report is based on real classroom experiences shared directly by a teacher, which help us understand the problem more deeply. Stay with me as we take a closer look at this important educational issue. Literacy refers to student ability to read, understand, and interpret written text, while numeracy is related to understand numbers, data, and basic mathematical concepts. Ideally, students should be able to comprehend text, follow instruction, and interpret numerical information accurately. However, in reality, many students still struggle with these skills. Low literacy and numeracy can affect students' confidence, academic performance, and participation in classroom activities. This issue doesn't only occur during exams, but also during daily learning activities such as reading text, understanding questions, and following instruction. Because of this situation, I conducted an interview with a teacher to explore the main problems, cases, and possible solutions related to students' literacy and numeracy skills. So the interview was conducted with Mr. Yulis Farwati, one of the teachers at the school. The discussion focused on students' literacy and numeracy condition in the classroom, the factor that influence these problems, and the strategies used by teachers to help students. Based on the interview, several important points were highlighted, especially related to vocabulary mastery, confidence, environment, and reading comprehension. According to the teacher, one of the main issues in students' literacy skill is limited vocabulary. Many students do not have enough vocabulary, which make it difficult for them to understand text because they do not recognize many words. They often feel confused when reading, and this confusion reduces their confidence. The teacher also explained the students struggle to understand both spoken and written English. In reading activities, students often find it hard to understand words and sentences line by line. They also struggle to connect the meaning from one paragraph to another, which affects their overall comprehension. In terms of numeracy, students face difficulties in reading and understanding numbers, especially larger numbers such as hundreds or thousands. This problem becomes more visible when students are required to read data or numerical information in English. One of the main factors causing low literacy and numeracy skill is the environment. According to the teacher, English is rarely used in student daily life. At school, English is not commonly spoken, and at home, most students use their local language or Bahasa Indonesia. As a result, English is not considered a daily need for students. They learn English mainly to complete a segment or pass exams, not to use it in real-life situations. This lack of exposure makes it difficult for students to develop strong literacy and numeracy skills, especially in English. The teacher emphasized that improving literacy and numeracy is a shared responsibility. Teachers, students, parents, school principals, and even the school system all play important roles in this process. However, teachers have a significant role because they directly guide students in the classroom. So at the same time, support from parents and the environment is also very important. When students are encouraged at home and exposed to English more frequently, their skill can improve more effectively. In the classroom, the teacher usually helps students by focusing in reading activities. One of the strategies used is asking students to read text aloud, which helps the teacher check students' pronunciation and reading accuracy. After reading, the teacher ensures that students understand the meaning of the text by explaining and discussing it together. Although the teacher also teaches grammar and speaking, reading activities are considered an important way to improve student literacy skill. In conclusion, low literacy and numeracy skill remain a serious challenge in education. Based on the interview, limited vocabulary, lack of confidence, and an unsupportive environment are some of the main factors contributing to this issue. To improve student literacy and numeracy skills, collaboration between teachers, parents, schools, and students is essential. With proper strategies, supportive environments, and consistent practice, students can gradually develop better literacy and numeracy abilities. This report is expected to provide insight into the real condition faced by teachers and students, and hopefully contribute to improve the quality of teaching and learning in the future. So this is Musdalifah reporting. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.